I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode I tackle a different term or trick to teach and guide you through the journey of real estate. This is episode 55, Lender Requirements. We're going to start the discussion with down payments. Some lenders are going to suggest 3%. Other consumer advocates like Dave Ramsey recommend 10% or more. Certainly the advice is going to vary, but sellers should have money to put down on the home. A lender is also going to want to know your income to debt ratio. That's how much money your current debt is and how much it takes away from your income. Typical for a lender to want to see 45% for a conventional loan or 50% for other loan packages or FICO scores that may be lower. They're also going to want to see your employment history and tax returns for the past few years, as well as recent bank statements. I've got several lender friends that I can point you towards. It's such an important part of the process, and a lender is a key part of the team we are putting together for you. Word of caution here. I prescribe to a very specific financial plan through Dave Ramsey and RamseySolutions.com. They recommend a total payment of 25% less of your take-home pay for your home. This is a good budget starting point. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a ton of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media sites as well. Be sure to like and subscribe on each so you can stay plugged in and updated on all things real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.